How many of you use candles? Now that the holidays are coming up, I'm sure that you are getting ready to pull out your holiday scented candles, light them, and get yourself in the holiday spirits. However, the average candle user doesn't know how dangerous lighting candles actually is. As an avid candle user myself, I'm very familiar with candle safety. In today's presentation, I will be explaining to you how using candles is dangerous and can cause accidental fires. For my first main point, I would like to explain that lighters can be faulty and can cause accidental fires. When lighting a candle, I'm sure that most of you use either one of the short lighters or use one of the longer torch lighters. Both of these, when used correctly and when safely prepared, can be used to safely ignite a flame and have a quick and easy candle experience. However, this is not the truth for everyone. Sometimes lighters can be faulty. Lighters will occasionally do something that is described as spitting or sputtering. The Big Lighter's official website says that spitting or sputtering is the condition where non-evaporated or liquid fuel escapes from the lighter, producing a shower of burning liquid droplets that separate from the main flame. Also, according to Big Lighter's official website, spitting and sputtering is a sign that the lighter is low on fuel. So what this looks like is that when you go to ignite your flame using your lighter, it will disperse or eject some droplets of fuel. This fuel will land onto the surrounding surfaces, and when you ignite the flame, it may cause these small drops of lighter fuel to ignite and cause a fire. This, if not stopped, can spread very, very quickly, which will cause a huge accidental fire. Lighters are very flammable and they can accidentally ignite. So it is important to make sure that you have a correct and proper lighter that does not have any faults or any room for error. Case Elegance also reports that to prevent spitting or sputtering, you can clean your lighter, refuel it, or simply just replace it. It is important that when you are preparing to light a candle, make sure that it is not low on fuel, or check the surrounding area to make sure that there are no droplets of fuel in the area. For my next point, I will be explaining how candles are both extremely flammable and forgettable. It is very easy to leave a candle unattended while it is burning. I'm sure that many of you will clean your living room, your kitchen, or even your bedroom, light a nice scented candle, and walk out the room while you let the scent marinate. I'm even guilty of doing this. However, the National Fire Prevention Agency reported that between 2015 and 2019, candles caused 2% of reported home fires, 3% of home fire deaths, 6% of home fire injuries, and 4% of the direct property damage in home fires. It is so dangerous to leave your candle unattended while it is burning. For my next point, I would also like to mention that the NFPA also reported that falling asleep was a factor in 10% of the home candle fires and 12% of the associated deaths. If you walk out the room and take a nap, you may risk falling asleep and that candle may burst into flames. How will it burst into flames? Well, hot candle wax is very, very flammable. You see, if the wax gets too hot, the flame may travel onto the wax and cause the candle to explode into flames, resulting in a huge fire. To conclude, lighters can be faulty and candles are both extremely flammable and forgettable. When you're lighting your holiday candles, remember to be safe and alert while the candle is burning. Don't leave it unattended. Stay safe and happy holidays.